Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATARGARDENS, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the Blenheim Apricot. I'm going to begin with the issues. The issues I experienced with this variety and many other varieties of apricots or apriums that I grow is birds love them. And I see one rotten one up there now. Let me raise up the tripod to show you how much damage happens. Here's one right here. And this variety tends to have a hole on the bottom of them, or it cracks very easily, like this one right over here. You see the crack? It happens a lot. So, at least with this variety, fruit flies are a problem, earwigs, birds, everything loves this fruit. And it's a shame, but it is what it is. The things I like about it, though, it's a very delicious apricot and extremely productive. Let me show you some of the production over here. As you can see right there, more above me, more right over here, more right behind my head. Another little angle over here. Just look at the clusters, you know, of how much production this does. This is the 4-in-1 fruit tree. It's a plum, apricot, nectarine, and peach. And on this branch right over here is the apricot, and it's at least 100 to 150 apricots on just that one branch. So if you have a whole tree of just this, get ready for 500 plus apricots in the season. The growth habit is not that vigorous that I'd like. I would like a little more vigor in the growth, but it's okay still. It loves full sun just like any other stone fruit. How I grow it is much like the other stone fruits, is I put about 3 to 6 inches of wood chips, and I put fish emulsion and seaweed extract into the ground around the tree bi-monthly, so every 2 weeks. A very interesting attribute about this apricot is I think it's the best tasting apricot other than the flavor delight aprium, but that's an aprium. The taste just tastes like, if you can imagine, apricot, but just perfect amount of acid and sugar. Amazing combination of the two. All right, happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everyone.